Welcome back to ExplainCAD. In this tutorial, we will know how to hide the components. In complex assemblies, there are too many parts. We have to hide the outer parts, and sometimes we change the transparency of outer parts for doing operations in internal parts like mates and other features. For change transparency, select the component, left click on it, and here is the option change transparency. Select it. See here, its appearance is transparent. Now you can do operation on the internal part. For removing transparency, select the component. Again, select change transparency. For hide the component, select suppress. For that, select the part, and here's the option suppress. Select it. If you want to unsuppress this component, go to feature tree, select the component. Its name will be very light. Select it, left click on it, and here select unsuppress. See here, this component is visible now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe ExplainCAD.